Aprilia 660 rupees best motorcycles. After last year's major shows and public launches were cancelled due to the pandemic, motorcycle manufacturers have had even more time to design, improve and manufacture the best new bikes in 2022. Freedom and adventure will be greater than ever. What better way to celebrate the thrill of life than with a new bike? Of course, there is a lot to consider before investing in one of the brand new high-end 2022 motorcycles. That's why we've created this list to help you decide which is the best motorcycle for you in 2022. But first, let's dive into the reasons why 2022 is the perfect year to buy one of these 10 best bikes. More force than need for speed, and therefore smooth and efficient acceleration, is a common reason to invest in a more powerful new motorcycle. The latest and greatest motorcycles of 2022 offer solid horsepower, impressive torque figures and larger engines for top speeds, no matter what type of road you ride. Improved design. Let's face it, style is an important factor when choosing the best motorcycle. Whether you prefer a tough, high-torque adventure bike or are more of a sport cyclist, and whether you've been at the track for a while or are just starting out, 2022 has some sleek new designs in store for you. New technology. Aside from increased top speeds and displacement, the best bikes of 2022 are also equipped with high-end electronic systems, ride assist systems and advanced safety features that cannot be overstated given the sheer raw power of today's most spectacular two-wheelers. Increased comfort. The improved technical features of the new 2022 motorcycles not only improve your safety when riding and racing, but are also designed for greater comfort and convenience. With radar, blind spot monitoring, Bluetooth connectivity and more, the latest features are guaranteed to ensure a relaxed and comfortable driving experience. More economical. In the last decade, riders and non-riders alike have become more environmentally conscious and manufacturers are stepping up to the demand. With improved engines, fuel efficiency is at an all-time high, while emissions are hitting a new low and electric motorcycles are on the way. In the long term, buying one of the top 10 motorcycles in 2022 can be a relief for the environment and your wallet. What are the best motorcycles? Now that you are up to date on the improvements, types and criteria for the best motorcycle of the year, it is time to choose your new motorcycle. Without further ado, let us bring you the best motorcycles. Aprilia 660 rupees style, sports bike engine type, liquid cooled, transverse parallel twin, DOHC, 4 VPC displacement, 660cc bore X stroke, 81.0 mm by 63.9 mm max horsepower, 100 horsepower at 10,500 revolutions per minute max torque, 49 pound-feet at 8,500 revolutions per minute weight, 404 pounds, 183 kilograms MSRP, $11,299. Are you seeking a bike you can take to the racetrack on the weekend and still use for a speedy commute during workdays? Look no further. With the 660 rupees, the Italian manufacturers have created an incredibly nifty middleweight motorcycle with a cunning aerodynamic design and an outstanding power-to-weight ratio. To keep you safe at these high speeds, it also boasts the Aprilia Performance Ride Control, APRC, originally developed for race use. Conclusion. 2022 is an exciting year for new motorcycles, from innovative designs and more performance than ever before in sport bikes. The nostalgia-inspired adventure bikes of Paris-Dakar and Harley-Davidson's bold new, one-brand move into the ADV world invade new aggressive machine. This could be the best year to buy a new bike. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, sheer horsepower or off-road capability, there's something for everyone, and if you're ready to go green, there's a range of electric bikes on offer too. Whichever new bike you choose, Monomoto wishes you many happy kilometers.